Hi everyone, I hope you are all fine and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill. So as you know, we have completed our module number 7, which is all about the verification and output. So we have only two topics like configuring post-processor and generating the machine codes. So I hope that you have the knowledge about these two topics. So let's get to the assignment, which is all about the module number 7, and you are very much familiar with this type of part, which is called the die.dgk file. And the things which you have to apply on this part or the assignment tasks are, you have to import the model, which is named as die.dgk, into the software. And you have to apply multiple toolpath strategies to make this part finish and use different sizes of tools to make surface finish look smooth. And the main task about this SAMP module is that you have to create single individual NC file for all the toolpath strategies you have applied on the part given. So that's it for the module number 7. And best of luck. Thank you very much.